Hello, this is the 25th question on stoichiometry. Calculate the mass of anhydrous Na2CO3. That is sodium trioxocarbonate 5. Not 5, 4. 4, guys, 4. Or you call it sodium carbonate. Alright, so present in 500 ml of 0.1 molar Na2CO3 solution. By the way, anhydrous there, just to clarify, it means dry, okay? When you say something is anhydrous, it means it's dry. And if you say something is hydrated, it means there is some water of crystallization in it, and then you say it's hydrated, okay? So that's the difference. And once again, we have a Na2CO3, which is our interesting solute there that made the solution. So to calculate the mass, right, what do we do here? First off, the moles of Na2CO3 should be equal to the concentration multiplied by volume, and the concentration is 0.1 and the volume is 500 over 1,000. I have to divide it by 1,000 so that I'll convert it to liters. I hope this makes sense. So if you do that, you will get 0.05 moles. That is the moles of Na2CO3 that you have there. Now, the mass of Na2CO3 should be equal to the moles times the molar mass. This is a formula. The moles we have gotten, the molar mass of Na2CO3, well, let's try to do that here. Molar mass would be, we're looking for Na2CO3, right? So that's 2 multiplied by Na, which is about 23. Now these numbers will be given to you in your class. It should be given to you, and then you use it to calculate. You use whatever you're given, okay? These are just approximate values, and then I have 106 grams per mole there. Okay, so let us multiply, right? That's the next thing. So multiplying that, the mass would be the moles 0.05 multiplied by the molar mass, which is 106, right? So that should give us about 5.3 grams, or approximately 5 grams if you choose to leave it in one significant figure. But 5.3 gram is also our answer. Now, why did I write DS and 110? This is the answer to the question, 5 grams, okay? But you see this DS that I wrote here, this DS, and this 110 is the 110th, is the 110th element on the periodic table, and the name is DS. The symbol rather is DS. So you have to tell me the name. What's the name of this chemical element? What is the name of the chemical element with the symbol DS? It exists, yes. So what's the name of that one? So let us know in the comments, and the first few people that I see that get it correctly, including the correct spelling, because the spelling is also somehow. So if you get that correctly, then we have something for you. For the first, that means immediately this video is posted. If you just check this video like when it is posted, and you check the first 24 hours within that time frame, then those people that are there in the next video, I'll tell you what I have for you. All right, and let's see how that goes. So if you're among the people, then you know yourself. Yeah, but then this is 25, and tell me what DS means. And also, if you have any question regarding this question number 25, if you need a clearer explanation, let me know as well. Subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, and also follow if you're seeing it on other platforms. Okay, and I'll see you on question 26. Take care, and bye bye.